Okay, in the previous video we talked a little bit about what patterns emerge in the triads when it comes to the circle of fifths. And we're going to take a closer look at those so we can use them whenever we're trying to figure out what type of triad one that we see is. So, triads with the same patterns of sharps and flats are going to be arranged together on the circle of fifths. So those with no sharps and flats are on top. Here you go. Oops, where's my... I was looking at the wrong, painting the wrong one. Here we go. Here's the ones with no sharps and no flats. Those with a sharp on the third are on the right. Here's the sharp on the third. And then we have other ones. Group with the same letter names are going to have the opposite sharps and flats. So if we look at this one, here's E, E flat, and E. Opposite, they have the opposite here. Here's the ones that have all the flats on the outside. D and D flat, A and A flat, and then E and E flat. Are all related to each other, but they'll have the opposite. So D flat has flats on the outside, D has a sharp in the middle, A flat has flats on the outside, A has a sharp in the middle, E flat has flats on the outside, E is sharp in the middle. And then also F, C, and G have no flats or sharps at all, while F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp, flat, wow, G flat have a sharp on every note. So if you look down here, we have F and F sharp. I'm going to do this in a different color actually. Well, actually, here we go. We'll do this. We'll do these ones in red. And then we'll do these other ones in, let's do blue. Or we'll do the opposite. Maybe green. Green is a contrast. Wait, that might be difficult for colorblind people. Do blue. Here are these, and these. Boom, boom, and boom. That doesn't help too. It's not very helpful. It's good enough. All right. Now, there's one that has two sharps, B and B flat. There's a pattern here. Let's go and find another color. We'll do this. We'll do yellow. No, maybe limeish. This one and this one. See how there's opposite here? We got a flat on the bottom here, but we have two sharps on the top here. That is our pattern. Those are our connections that you see. Now, we already kind of did it. We're going to, on the previous page, we're drawing large circles all the way around these groups of triads. So those with no externals, those with a third sharp only, those with all notes have sharp or flat, and those whose root and fifth only are flat, which is what we already did. Then you're going to draw a circle around the two odd triads, which is B and B flat, which is what we did. That's our green. Then you're going to draw lines between the groups which have the same letter names. Which is what I did as well. I jumped the gun. That is fine. So those, again, are the patterns that you will see in the triads when related to the circle of fifths.